Wonolo is an on-demand work platform that connects businesses with flexible, temporary workers. It's an innovative solution for companies to fill their short-term staffing needs and for workers to find part-time or temporary jobs in various industries like warehousing, manufacturing, retail, and more. In 2024, you can make money online with Wonolo by following these step-by-step instructions. 1. Sign up. Visit the Wonolo website, wonolo.com, and create an account. Provide your basic information, such as your name, email, and phone number. You'll also need to create a profile where you can highlight your skills, experience, and availability. 2. Verify your identity. Wonolo requires a background check to ensure a safe and reliable platform for both workers and businesses. Follow the instructions provided to complete the background check process. 3. Set up direct deposit. To receive payments, you'll need to set up direct deposit by providing your bank account information. 4. Browse and apply for jobs. Once your account is set up, you can start browsing available jobs on the Wonolo app or website. Filter jobs by location, date, and type of work. When you find a job that suits you, apply for it by clicking Apply. 5. Get approved. After applying, the business will review your application and decide whether to approve or reject it. You'll receive a notification about their decision. 6. Accept the job. If approved, accept the job offer. Make sure to check the job details, such as the date, time, location, and pay rate. 7. Complete the job. Show up at the designated location on time and follow the instructions provided by the business. Work diligently and communicate with the business if you have any questions or concerns. 8. Get paid. After completing the job, you'll receive payment through direct deposit within a few days. 9. Review and rating. Provide feedback on your experience with the business and the job. This helps maintain the quality of the platform and ensures both workers and businesses have a positive experience. 10. Repeat and expand. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you'll have more opportunities to find work on Wonolo. You can also explore different industries and job types to diversify your income and expand your skill set. To maximize your earnings on Wonolo, consider the following tips. 1. Be flexible. Be open to working in various industries and locations, as this will increase your chances of finding job opportunities. 2. Maintain a good reputation. Provide excellent work and communicate well with businesses to receive more job offers and higher pay rates. 3. Build your skills. Acquire new skills or improve existing ones to qualify for a wider range of jobs and increase your marketability. 4. Stay organized. Keep track of your availability, job applications, and completed jobs to ensure a smooth experience on the platform. 5. Network. Connect with other Wonoloers and businesses through the platform's social features to learn about new opportunities and build relationships. By following these steps and tips, you can effectively make money online with Wonolo in 2024 and enjoy the flexibility of working in a variety of temporary jobs. Creating a profile on Wonolo in 2024 can be a simple and straightforward process. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you get started as a beginner. 1. Go to the Wonolo website, wonolo.com, or download the Wonolo app from the App Store or Google Play Store. 2. Register for an account. Click on the Sign Up button on the website or tap Create Account in the app. Provide your email address and create a strong password. Verify your email address by clicking on the confirmation link sent to your inbox. 3. Complete your profile. Upload a clear, professional-looking profile picture. Fill in your personal information such as your name, date of birth, and phone number. Specify your preferred job categories and the locations where you're willing to work. 4. Verify your identity. Wonolo may require you to verify your identity by providing a government-issued ID. Follow the instructions provided on the platform to complete this step. 5. Add your work experience and skills. List your previous work experiences, including the companies you've worked for, your job titles, and the duration of your employment. Mention any relevant skills you possess that could be useful for the job opportunities available on Wonolo. 6. Set up your availability. Indicate the days and hours you're available to work, so employers can easily find and hire you for their shifts. 7. Review and complete any additional requirements. Some employers may require you to complete training or pass background checks before being eligible for their jobs. Follow the instructions provided by Wonolo to complete these requirements. 8. Start applying for jobs. Browse through the available job listings on the Wonolo platform or app. Apply for the positions that match your skills and availability. Once you're hired for a job, you'll receive a confirmation email or push notification with all the necessary details. 9. Complete your shifts and receive feedback. After completing a shift, provide feedback on your experience and get paid through Wonolo's payment system. Positive feedback can help you secure more job opportunities in the future. 10. Build your reputation and network. As you complete more shifts and receive positive feedback, your Wonolo profile will become more attractive to potential employers. Connect with other Wonoloers and build a professional network to increase your chances of finding new job opportunities. Remember to keep your profile updated and maintain a strong work ethic to ensure a positive experience on Wonolo.